Uniforms come with multiple advantages. Corporate branding. Identify workers as associated with a company and its products. Projecting competence. Identify employees in a store setting, thus eliminating the possibility of a customer erroneously asking a fellow consumer for help. Promoting security. A uniform can identify an employee who is out in the field making a service call or delivery to a customer's home. Eliminating dress codes. Uniforms eliminate the need for creating and enforcing a dress code. Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Hyundai, Renault, Volkswagen, Jeep, Fiat, Honda, Audi, BMW, Bajaj, and many more. When it comes to supplying uniforms to reputable organizations, we are in good company. Record Clothing Company is an ISO 9001-2015 certified, acknowledged leader in supplying custom-made uniforms. Our manufacturing unit and warehouse are located in Navi Mumbai. We have the capacity to supply 5,000 apparel units per day. We can supply uniforms across India. Our vision is to put the customer first and build mutually beneficial relationships. Be committed to creating growth through win-win solutions across all disciplines. Our mission is to be the preferred one-stop solution for everything in corporate accessories by providing quality products and prompt service at cost-effective prices. We have a fully equipped, modern manufacturing unit located at Navi Mumbai. Our machines are imported from Germany and Japan. We also have the best machines from reputed manufacturers in India. These machines have a very high throughput and are known for their precision. Our warehousing facilities are in Navi Mumbai. The sophisticated temperature-controlled warehouses ensure proper care of the clothes. A computerized system also facilitates inventory management. To ensure consistent quality, we have tied up with reputed manufacturers. Fabric, Raymond, Sierrans, Chiripal, Nandan Group of Companies, Mafatlal, S. Kumar's, Sangam. Accessories, buttons, Jindal, Zip, YKK, threads, Madurai coats, interlining, Stafflix, Singapore. We have an uncompromising attitude towards quality. A quality assurance manager sees to it that all apparel and accessories are made to the stringent requirements of our clients. No wonder we have the Udyog Aadhaar certificate issued by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME, Government of India. No wonder we are in good company. Record Clothing Company.